What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on how to install a Damond oil baffle onto your mazdaspeed 3. So right now I'm at work. Well, I don't work today, but I just went to my job so I can use my tools. So I'm taking the oil pan off. I took off. Well, I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now. So let's get to this video. All right, so I'm taking off the oil cooler because oil filter size oil cooler because the gasket that's between here. Oh, let me show you guys. I'm draining the oil too. I just drained my oil and I'm catching it because it's brand new motor oil, and motor oil is not cheap. So this gasket, you can see it's flat. It's flat now. It was leaking, so I got a new one and I put it on already. I put it on already. It's already on. Everything's on. I'm just fixing that right quick. This gasket is brand new too. So let's go to the side. So this is the Damond oil baffle. I'll show you guys. Sorry, give me one hand. So this is the oil baffle from Damond Motorsports. So that's what it looks like. Good product. Little flap so oil can go between. But yeah, got that. So like that. These, he only put 3. Supposed to be 6 altogether, but I don't know. I might have to use my stock ones, the original ones for the other side. So then 2 I got. I'm not gonna be installing it today. I don't have time. But I got the PCB plate too. Got the gold one. Got the PCB plate. I got the gold one because I have the black one on my Gen 2. So I'll just go with the gold one. Here's all the gaskets, the bolts right here. You can see gaskets. I got the one with the comes with the PCB OEM, PCB valve and PVC or whatever. You know guys know what I'm talking about. Here's the bolts for the bolts. Here's the bolts for the plate. There's 8 gaskets. Here's a ring gasket, the ring that goes over your plate. Let me show you. Oh, here it goes right here. Put that in, and you put the ring and all that, the gasket. But yeah, I have everything for this too, but this is gonna be another video because I'm gonna take out my intake pipe off. So, for the ones that do know, I have a Corksport intake manifold with the fuel rail. So what I'm doing, I'm not gonna install that yet because the Gen 1, it came with the EGR delete, but he didn't do the full EGR delete. He just did this delete, the pipe delete, and the bung block off on the intake. So if I have time, I'm gonna take the intake off, or I need to get to the bottom, get that to that bung. So I'm gonna just put this pipe back on so I can pass smoke. That's the only check engine light is on because of that. So I'm gonna put this back on, run the car till it, all the monitors are set. Then once it's passed, I'm gonna take it back off, block it off. Then I'll make a video on, how to install the intake manifold. But right now I don't have time to do that, so probably just do this at home. So right now I'm just gonna show how to do this. So yeah, let's get to it. So it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is take the 3 bolts, or the 4 bolts right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Once you take that off, and then you take off pretty much all the bolts around the pan. And you take off the bolts right here, the big ones, right here, 2, and right here. And take this off, and then you just go all the way around, and you can take off your pan. Then take out your dipstick. I'm gonna lift it up. It goes up right there. Lift it up from right there. But take that off. Then yeah, you can take the pan off. That's what I'm gonna do. Then once I take the pan off, I got a GoPro too. I just waiting for it to stand so I can kind of show you guys taking off while it's still showing, But I'm just showing you. Just take off the bolts all the way around it. Then it comes out, and then you take off. There's an 8 up there for the dipstick, or you can just pull it down with it on, but either or, it's up to you how you want to take it off. So I'm gonna do that, then I'll come back to you guys. All right, the pan is out. There you go. Here's the block. The motor, I mean. Flashlight. Right there. And nice and clean still, built block. So yeah, so now you just use the bolts, take the bolts off, take this off, take that off. There are 12s, so I'm gonna take those off, then I'll come back to you guys. And there you go, that's how you put it on. It's simple. And you just get the bolts. Yeah, it looks like I have to reuse some of the old bolts, but I think it's supposed to be more, but I don't know if they forgot to put it. I just put 3, but if you just reuse your bolts. So yeah, so now next step, just putting the bolts on and putting it back on. So I'm gonna clean because I'm on a time limit, so I'm gonna clean the area up, clean the top part up for the block, and then get new silicone and put it back on, because I'm in a kind of time limit. So I'm gonna do all that, then I'll show you guys when I'm done. But that's how you take the oil pan and stuff off. It's really simple. You do it at home here. It's easy. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll come back to you guys when I pretty much have everything on. And there you go. That's how you put a baffle plate from Damond on your mazdaspeed 3. Yeah, which is already, like I said, I was already doing the oil cooler gasket, so I'll just skip it. I'm gonna take off the pan, just do the baffle plate right quick. So I'm just showing you guys what to do if you guys was gonna do it yourself. It's pretty easy. Like I said, you just take off those bolts all the way around the pan, and the big ones on the side, and the 4 that's on the cover, and it comes out. Pull it off. You put you gotta use your stock bolts, or the original bolts that's on your pan already, because it only came with 3. I don't know if it's supposed to come with all of them, but only came with 3, so I just went ahead and used the original bolts that was on there. But yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's pretty simple. You can do it at home. Like I said, it's easy. You can do it at home. Lift the car up in the front and take those off. You can do it at home. But till again, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one.